Hi, my name is Robert from Versa Networks. This is a short video on configuring secure client access policy for Versa Secure Access. Versa Secure Access is an industry-leading solution in delivering Secure Access Service Edge, or SASE, using Zero Trust Network Access Architecture. It provides secure access to enterprise and cloud applications from anywhere. The solution is comprised of several key components. The Versa Secure Access Portal for visibility and control. Versa Cloud Gateways are used to connect to enterprise data center, SaaS applications, public or private cloud. And the Versa Secure Access Client that can be installed on a variety of devices and provides policy enforcement by capturing metadata information regarding the connecting device and the user requesting access. The client can perform application-based traffic steering, reject or restrict access based on your organization's corporate policy. Here are the high-level steps for remote user requesting access to corporate or cloud resources. In step 1, VSA client will be downloaded and installed on the device. In step 2, user authentication will occur as part of the registration process. And in step 3, VSA client collects information about the device and user. It then performs a policy lookup and evaluate the collected information for compliance checks. The policy consists of user-based profile, device posture checks, integration with third-party mobile device management for compliance, geofencing or geolocation restrictions. Once registration is completed, user can initiate connection by clicking on the Start button on the client in step 4. And finally, in step 5 to 8, connection is established with the best gateway selected based on network latency, resource utilizations, and gateway proximity with the remote user. Now, let's take a look at how to configure a secure client access policy. We'll start our configuration by opening up Versa's Concerto, which is a single pane of glass for visibility and controlling all aspects of Versa's SASE solution. We'll click on Configure under Secure Client Access, Policy Rules. Here we can create and configure one or more secure client access rule. We'll click on Add. You can select how to steer remote users' traffic based on predefined application, custom application, for breakout to internet, and applications sent to the Versa cloud gateways. We can also block connection by selecting the deny option. We click on Next and we can specify enterprise device status for managed devices, allow unmanaged devices, allow both managed and unmanaged devices. We click on Next, and this is for Endpoint Information Profile, EIP, which allow us to specify specific objects that are running on the device and should be collected and evaluated by VSA client for compliance checks. We can create a user-defined EIP profile, or we can select one of the predefined EIP profiles. And as you can see here, this gives us a high level of granularity for device compliance check. We click on Next. We can select an endpoint protection software, operating system for the device, users and users groups, and the source geolocation of the remote users. So in this case, we can select India, source IP address or address range. And that's it for creating a secure client access rule. Now, similar to firewall rules, these are evaluated from top to bottom. Now, let's see what happens when a remote user attempts to register and connect using VSA client. In this case, the user's already downloaded VSA client and installed the software and have entered the information provided by the enterprise administrator. So we'll go ahead and click on submit. The users is redirected to Microsoft Azure AD for authentication as per the enterprise authentication policy. We go ahead and authenticate. We briefly saw that the authentication was successful. However, the user received an error message that you are not allowed to register outside USA. So let's check to see where the user is located. So this user is located in India, and we have a policy to deny connection from user located in this country, and therefore the connection was not successful. Now let's going back to Concerto. We go to analytics. This is where we can see logs and detailed information regarding our connections. So here we'll do the last 5 minutes, and we can see that the source IP address of the client was recorded and the user was not able to connect. And this concludes our video demonstration. Thank you for watching. To request a test drive, or if you would like more information about this, please visit our website, versa-networks.com. See you soon.